Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenFit 2 Plus earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Amazon Fire TV via Bluetooth. It's the same to connect to a Amazon Fire TV stick as well. So the first thing is, let's put these earbuds in a pairing mode, okay? So the buds are currently in the case. Let me open the lid up. Now we'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking orange, green, orange, green. But I get a solid green light and then it turns off. The reason for me is because it's currently connected to one of my phones. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode. The buds are in a case. I have that little button right there. I'm going to press and hold that button until it starts blinking orange, green, orange, green. Button here, ready, press and hold. Keep holding. Wait. There we go. Orange, green, orange, green. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our TV here. And we want to go directly to the settings. So go to the home page, click on the home button, and then just navigate all the way over to the gear icon right there. And then you want to press down the remote. And we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Okay on that. From here, you want to go down to other Bluetooth devices. Select that. Now you want to go all the way down to add Bluetooth devices. And now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, okay? It's still blinking orange, green, orange, green. Just wait. Okay, there you go. I found it right there, the OpenFit. Make sure it's highlighted. Okay on the remote. And voila, we are now connected. It says connected down there too. And also on here, you know it's connected because like the PowerBeats Pros is not connected because it says select the connect. If I go up to the OpenFits, it says select the disconnect. So I'm currently connected. Now, if you have issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset on these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link in the description area below.